Welcome to our lesson on landing your first job in cybersecurity. This session will guide you through essential steps and strategies to kickstart your career in this exciting field. As we learned in earlier lessons, the demand for cybersecurity professionals is growing. There are diverse opportunities available, so it's essential to explore roles that match your skills and interests. Crafting a standout resume is crucial. Highlight your relevant skills and tailor your resume for each application, ensuring to include any cybersecurity certifications you've earned to showcase your commitment. Networking is essential in landing a job. Join cybersecurity communities online and attend industry events to build connections that could lead to job opportunities. This quote emphasizes the importance of networking in your job search. Remember, connections can open doors to opportunities that skills alone may not. Preparing for interviews is key to success. Research common cybersecurity interview questions and practice your responses to demonstrate your knowledge and confidence. During interviews, utilize the STAR method to structure your answers effectively. Additionally, prepare insightful questions to ask your interviewer, demonstrating your interest in the role. After your interview, always send a thank you note. This reinforces your interest in the position and helps you stay connected with interviewers, keeping you on their radar. Continuous learning is essential in cybersecurity. Consider taking online courses to enhance your skills and stay informed about the latest trends and news in the field. Certifications can significantly boost your resume. Consider obtaining CompTIA Security Plus 4 Foundational Knowledge or Certified Ethical Hacker for offensive security skills. Building a portfolio is crucial for showcasing your work. Document your cybersecurity projects and consider sharing them on GitHub to enhance your visibility to potential employers. This quote highlights the importance of a strong portfolio in cybersecurity. Your portfolio is a reflection of your skills and can greatly influence your job search success. Utilizing job boards can help you find opportunities. Focus on specialized job boards for tech and cybersecurity and set alerts for new postings to stay informed. Preparing for rejections is part of the job search process. Learn from feedback after interviews and keep applying, as persistence is key to success in your job search. Hearing success stories from others can be incredibly motivating. Learn how others have navigated their paths in cybersecurity and draw inspiration from their journeys. Utilizing resources can enhance your job search. LinkedIn Learning offers courses on various cybersecurity topics, while CyberSeek provides insights into job demand in this field. As we conclude, remember to stay committed to your learning and growth. Be patient throughout your job search, as it can take time to find the right opportunity. Thank you for joining this lesson on landing your first job in cybersecurity. We wish you the best of luck as you embark on this exciting career journey. This quote reminds us that true success comes from finding happiness in our work. As you pursue your career in cybersecurity, prioritize what brings you joy. This concludes our lesson on landing your first job in cybersecurity. Remember to keep learning and growing in this dynamic field. Thank you.